Hey guys, welcome to Sandland Sleep's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to use our fall sleep product. First, we'll talk about what it's for, then when to take it, and what to expect. Fall sleep was made for folks who have trouble going to sleep at the beginning of the night. This used to happen to us all the time, and we were sick of the cure-all sleep aids that were supposed to do everything but didn't actually solve the nuanced problem of not being able to fall asleep on time. If your issue is actually staying asleep throughout the night, you can check out that video or look at our sleep set, which has both products in it. If you're just starting out, we recommend one pill and no more than 2 per night. Fall sleep is sublingual, which means that it works by dissolving under your tongue. You should take it as you get into bed or about 30 minutes before you want to fall asleep. Unlike a regular pill, this form is the fastest way to get the ingredients to start working, which is key when you're trying to fall asleep at the beginning of the night. Let's discuss what to expect and what actually happens when you take fall asleep. First, you'll notice the peppermint in fall asleep gives off a light aromatherapy effect and refreshing feeling. That should be soothing and calming and help put you at ease so you can move into the next phase. Finally, our main ingredient, CBN, will start to kick in. CBN's role is really to calm you down and get you sleepy. It does this by linking with your internal endocannabinoid system and providing that magical feeling of being able to fall asleep. That said, don't expect to feel a high or anything like that. A key misconception is that for a sleep aid to be good, it needs to feel like you're getting knocked out, and that's not right. Fall sleep will last typically 3 to 4 hours, so if you take it before bed, you shouldn't have any feeling of grogginess in the morning. Instead, they're aimed at getting you real, lasting sleep health that can retrain your body's circadian sleep rhythm. Over time, the goal is not to need our products anymore. That might seem counterintuitive, but our definition of success is actually helping people become good sleepers, which, at the end of the day, for some could mean that they don't need Sandland anymore. And that's all right with us. Thank you for trusting us to regain a better sleep routine.